Hi parents, this is the last lesson of Math 3. I am going to divide it into two because there is a lot here to teach. So this is lesson 120 and I'm going to upload it tomorrow, Monday, May 11th. But the lesson and assignment is not even, you don't have to do it until Tuesday because Monday is 119. Anyway, this one is multiplying by 8. And I decided to use the song Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. And so this is the one, I don't know if I let it be copied for you this way, but this one is side B. And let's see what side A is. Oh, here's side A. I have a feeling that I did not copy both sides. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and sing this for you, okay? So it goes 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96. That's the song of the eights. And so there's a little interesting thing about the eights. It goes like this. So pretend like this was a 10. So we'll go 0, 8, 6, 4, 2. 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, 8, 6, and so forth. And then you go and draw the strings. 3 times 8 is 24. So 3 times 8 is 24, and 7 times 8 is 56. I'm going to go ahead and go to this page, and I have a feeling that you have this side of the multiplications. But I'm going to go ahead and teach again about the eights. So we just did multiplication by 8, and I wrote the song up here on top so that I would have it. 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96. That's the song of the eights. So 8 times what equals 16? So we go 0, 8, 16. That's 2 fingers. So 8 times 2 is 16. And up on the 16, I have, there's 1 8, 2 8s, 3 8s, 4 8s, 5 8s, 6 8s, and so forth. Okay, then I circled 8 times what equals 32. So let's sing the song. Ready, go. 0, 8, 16, 24, 32. How many fingers? 4. 8 times 4 is 32. Here we go with 48. Ready? Go. 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. And I have a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 8s is, 6 8s is 48. So 6 times 8 is 48. And last one is 8 times what is 64. 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64. And that is 8 8s. 8 times 8 is 64, and that is a prime number because remember this, 8 to the second equals 64. So that is a prime number. If you have this side, then you can just, see how fast you can do this with 6 or 7 minutes. Or just go ahead and give it a shot and do it however long you want. All right, my next page that I have, and I don't even know if I gave you this, is the multiplication table. And this is pretty cool. So 1 times 1 is 1. So you're going to go 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. So look what you're writing. So this one times that one equals this. 1 times 2 equals this. So basically on the ones, you're going to go all the way down to 12. But they would like you to start with the 5s. So watch this. The 5s is cool. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. So remember how we just count by 5s. Ready, go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. And so look at this. This is so amazing. Hopefully my thing doesn't fall over. Okay. 5 times 1 is 5. So you let your finger drag and go to the middle. 5 times 2, so let them slide across, and there's your answer. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35, and I know you guys know these. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50, and so on. But here I have this whole table. So look at the 2s. So let's start from the top and go down. Okay, let's count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Yeah, okay. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, next, let's go horizontal. Horizontal is this way. Okay, so here I go again. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 1 is 4. So I need to go all the way for the ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, here's my 2s. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Wow. So it works horizontally and vertically. Isn't that cool? This is a multiplication table to tell you what the answer is. So here we go on the 5s. Let's pretend like we don't remember what is 5 times 5. Okay, so 5 times 5 is 25. And I already did the 5s going vertical and horizontal. Okay, let's do the 3s. We remember that is from the song We Will Rock You. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. How about that? So 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 3 is 15. You just have your fingers slide and meet in the middle. Then I have the 4s. So I don't even remember my song. Maybe it's the Happy Birthday. Oh, that was a 6 song. Okay, let's do the 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. That's the song about the 4s. Okay, and it also works for 6. 6, 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 50, 60, 66, 72. That's a song about the 6s. And we know the 7s. That's a Twinkle, Twinkle Little Song. 0, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84. That's the song of the 7s. And now you can take your 7s and go vertical. 0, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84. That's the song of the 7s. And let's finish the 10s. Let's do something we know. Okay, ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 is already there, 110, 120. So let's do this. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 3 is 30. Okay? The reason why these numbers are circled, they are the prime numbers. So 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 5 is 25. The circled numbers are prime. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64. And I wrote the prime numbers down at the bottom for you. So 1 to the second, 2 to the second. 1 to the second is 1. 2 to the second is 4. 3 to the second is 9. 4 to the second is 16. 5 to the second is 25. 6 to the second is 36. 7 to the second is 49. 8 to the second is 64. 9 to the second is 81. 10 times 10, 10 to the second is 100. 11 to the second is 110, and 12 to the second is 144. This is 100, sorry, that one's wrong, 121. I'm going to stop this video and do the other part of the lesson tomorrow, which will be about working backwards and guessing about money. And then I'm going to teach you about this factoring. So these two will be my next lesson for lesson 120. Okay, well, thank you, and I hope you all have a good week. Math has to be done hopefully by Thursday. They're giving you till Friday, but we're doing report cards a week from tomorrow, so we have to get it done this week. Okay, thanks.